KPM.
Hi, teacher. Wow, teacher, look at these beautiful paintings. Oh, teacher, what are we going to do today, teacher?
Hi, Chris.
Why do you bring these paintings?
You like the paintings very much?
Yes.
You look so beautiful, right?
Very
okay.
beautiful.
You aware that tomorrow we are having stamp exhibition in our school?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So for that, I'm trying to decorate this frame using this ribbon. Could you help me?
Can, teacher.
Here you are.
Okay. So this, and where do you want me to decorate
You
this
have to
ribbon, teacher?
place the ribbon around the frame, Chris.
Around the frame.
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. I am ready.
Hopefully you get it.
Teacher,
What's the problem?
I'm a bit confused because I'm not sure how to know how much ribbon we need to cut, teacher.
Oh my dear, for that you have to measure the sides of the frame.
Okay, but how do I do that, teacher?
Okay, for that, Chris, you have to join my next class. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Better learn first, then we can measure properly. Hi everyone, welcome to Tahap 2 on Didik TV KPM. My name is Chris MJ and today pupils, we will be learning Mathematics DLP for Year 4. Okay, who likes mathematics? Raise your hands. Yay, okay, I see you. And today, I'm here with teacher Kalai. Hi teacher.
Hi Chris, how are you?
I am good, teacher. How are you, teacher?
I'm doing great.
Okay, and we also want to welcome Teacher Lina as our sign language interpreter for today's episode. Hi, Teacher Lina. Okay, so teacher, just now, right, we didn't know how to decorate the frame. So what are we going to learn today actually?
Okay, before that, Chris, hi, good day, all viewers out there. Okay, so you're wondering how to decorate the frame just now. Okay,
Yeah.
as I mentioned earlier, you have to measure the sides of the frame. So when
Okay.
we talk about the sides of frame and then the decoration, what could you relate this to? Okay, without
Is it
delaying, yeah.
Space?
You want to try? Yes, it's about space. Okay.
Okay.
So what you're going to learn in space in year 4? Okay, let's start.
Alright.
Okay, so before that, I would like to explain about two-dimensional shape. Okay, we have, Chris, we have two-dimensional shape and also three-dimensional shape. Okay?
Okay.
Focus in year 4 is only two-dimensional shape. Okay, 2D shapes, we can name it as 2D shapes, are shapes with two dimensions. Okay, such as width and length. Okay, an example of 2D shape is a rectangle or circle. Can you show the blue color rectangle, square on the table? Blue color.
Blue color,
Yes.
this one.
Yes.
Okay,
So this is a example of 2D shape. Okay. Why we call it as 2D shapes? 2D shapes are the flat and cannot be physically whole because they have no depth. You can't show the depth here. Okay.
Okay.
So a 2D shape is completely flat.
Understand.
Okay. So what we are going to look in 2D shape. Okay. First is perimeter. Any idea about perimeter, Chris?
Is perimeter the measurement around an object?
Yes,
Or around a shape?
Around a shape or an object, as you said. Okay.
Okay.
The word perimeter is actually derived from a Greek word. Okay. So peri plus metron. Okay. Peri means around a shape. Okay. Around an object. And metron sounds measure. So that's why I ask you to measure the surrounding of the sides, the frame. Okay. So generally, perimeter means the distance all the way around its edges of a closed surface or shape.
Okay.
Can you show the perimeter for the square now?
Okay, so the perimeter for this square is around.
Distance all the way around its edges, which closed.
Okay, so
Yes.
this 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, you are right. So that is perimeter, Chris. Okay.
Okay.
Now, next, these are the types of polygons. Okay. You are going to measure the perimeter for the shapes up to 8 sides. That means up to 8 sides mean octagon. Okay. We start from triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, up to octagon, 8 sides.
Okay.
So next, what is area? Okay, so we are going to look about perimeter and area today. Okay, the word area means vacant surface. Area is defined as the total space taken up by a flat, the 2D surface or shape of an object.
Okay.
Okay, so without delay, okay, first I would like to introduce the shapes that you are going to find the area. Okay.
Okay.
First is square, and then we have equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle, Chris?
Is it a triangle with all the same sides?
All the sides are same. Yes, you are right. And then we have isosceles triangle. Only the two sides are same, and right angle triangle. And then we have under quadrilateral we have square and rectangle.
Okay, teacher.
So even though we have many more shapes in 2D, but our focus is only on this. You are going to find area, kids, there only using these shapes.
Okay.
Right? Okay, now without delaying, we move on to find the perimeter. Any idea how to find the perimeter? Remember, I asked you to measure all the sides.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do we use a ruler, teacher?
Yes, of course.
Okay. And we need to measure the surrounding.
Yes.
Of the
After
item.
that, after measure,
After
what
that,
you're going to do after you get the measurements
after we get the measurements, we need to add everything together.
Yes, so the operation is adding. Yes,
okay,
Chris
okay.
is correct. Yes. So you can find the perimeter of a shape, given shape, by adding all the sides. You got it? Okay. Next we see the examples. Okay. Here we have what triangle is that, Chris?
This is the equilateral triangle.
Yes, it is an equilateral triangle because all the sides are same. You can see 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So what is the perimeter? As you know, we have to add all the sides, right? So 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals to
30.
30. So we have to write the centimeter there, 30 centimeter. The perimeter of this triangle is
30.
This 3D is 30 centimeters. Right.
Okay, understood.
Next, okay, how about this shape?
This is a rectangle.
Rectangle, right? Okay.
Yes.
For rectangle, the opposite sides are same.
Okay.
Can you see there? The opposite sides are same. So 3 meter is the opposite side, and the width is 1 meter, 1 meter.
Yep.
Now, what you must do to find the perimeter of this rectangle?
We need to add everything, teacher.
Yes, that means 1 meter plus 1 meter plus 3 meter plus 3 meter equals to
8 meters.
6 plus 2 is 8 meter. So the perimeter of this rectangle is equals to 8 meters. Okay? Don't forget to write the unit. Okay?
Alright.
Meter, M. Meter, M for meter. Now, can you find, this is for you. Okay, before that, what shape is that? What polygon is that?
How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes.
Is this
7 sides.
7 sides. Is this a heptagon?
Heptagon? Yes,
7
you're right.
sides.
Heptagon. So one side is given 6 centimeters.
Okay.
And then what we supposed to do next to find this perimeter for this
we are supposed to add all the side measurements, teacher.
Yes. How many sides?
So there are 7 sides.
So as we know, we have to add all that sides. Heptagon has 7
sides.
equal sides. Okay.
7 equal sides.
So yes. So if you see in the screen, it is stated 6 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 6 centimeter, all the 7 sides. So it's equals to
42 centimeters.
Yes. To make it easier, Chris, what we can do here, we can take the number of sides and then we times with each side. That means 7 times by 6 centimeter equals to
42 centimeter,
42
teacher.
centimeters.
Like
7 times 6 is 42, yes. Take the number of sides and then you times by the measurements.
Okay. Understand.
Got it?
Got it, teacher.
Okay. Now, this is task for you. And as well as the kids at home, you can find the perimeter of each of the shapes below. We have 3 shapes here: triangle, polygon and a rectangle.
Okay.
So we start from the first one.
Can, teacher? Can I choose one shape, teacher? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Alright. So, teacher, which one would you want me to try?
Maybe the middle one?
Middle one?
Yes.
So, what shape is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, this is an octagon.
Octagon, yeah, you're right. So, octagon has 8 sides.
Okay. So, let's try this.
And one side is, what's the...
8 centimeter, teacher.
Yes.
Okay, so for this one, 8 centimeter.
As I said, you can plus all the sides.
Okay.
Or to make it easier, you take number of sides and then you times by the measurements given there.
Okay, teacher, I have the answer
So what
here.
times by what, Chris?
Okay, perimeter equals to 64. All right, teacher, I finished already. Okay, everyone, is this correct? So, teacher, I took 8 centimeters times with 8.
Yes.
Because
so
it has 8 sides.
Okay, so your answer?
Answer is 64 centimeters.
So the perimeter for the octagon is?
64 centimeters.
Centimeter, yes.
So correct, teacher?
Yes, you're right.
Yes.
Excellent.
Okay. All right. I'm having a lot of fun. Are you having a lot of fun? Yes. Okay. We have way more exercises and activities with teacher Kalai after this, but we'll be taking a short break. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back only on Didik TV KPM.
Didik TV KPM.
Hi everyone, I'm Chris MJ and you are watching Tahap 2 only on Didik TV KPM for today's subject Mathematics DLP for Year 4 on the topic of space together with Teacher Kalai. Hi teacher. Okay.
Hi.
Teacher, we are excited. The pupils watching at home as well as myself. So what are we going to be learning today, teacher?
Okay, as I mentioned earlier, so you're going to look about area and perimeter, right? Okay, we
Okay.
have done with perimeter. Now it's time for area. Okay,
Alright.
before that, I have a challenge for you. Can
Oh.
you see the white color rectangle over there, Chris?
Can, teacher.
Okay, with the first, you have to take the square shapes and then paste on the rectangle.
Okay. So inside, right, teacher?
Yes.
Okay, can. 1, 2, 3. It doesn't matter of the color, right,
No,
teacher?
no, no.
So, okay.
Okay.
3.
Just full the
4.
space.
Alright. Okay, this is interesting. I wonder what does this have to do with today's
We read this as 1 square unit.
1
Okay.
square unit. Okay, can teacher. So far we have a 9 over here. Wow, very, very colorful. Okay, next. Looks like I'm doing some artwork here, teacher.
Yes.
Okay. And how many more do we have? Alright. Bit more. Which one should I go next? Red? Orange? Okay, we go with yellow. Yellow. Red.
So the white color rectangle is now fully pasted by the squares.
Okay. Oh, teacher, we need one more square.
Okay, never mind. It's consider you already filled
Oh,
here. Okay.
okay.
Now, so what's happened just now?
Yeah.
The white color rectangle is pasted on the squares. Okay, how many squares altogether?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20, 21.
21
Okay.
square units.
How about how many squares in the row?
In the row.
In one row.
So row is like this, right,
Yes.
teacher? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
How many squares you pasted in a column?
Okay, column is 1, 2, 3, teacher.
So what is the total surface for this rectangle? How many squares you pasted just now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So is it 7 times with the so is it row times with column?
Yes.
So 7 times 3. So 21.
21. Okay. No doubt it is 21. Okay. So the 21 is we call it as 21 square unit is actually the area for the rectangle. Okay.
Oh,
Rather than
okay.
counting one by one,
Yeah.
please. Okay. Just take the
The row,
length.
the length.
Okay. The row is the length actually,
Okay.
7, and the column is the width. Okay. That is the 3. So
Okay,
what you get here? 7 times 3 is 21.
21. So
Okay.
7 times
So that's a great introduction for area. Okay.
Okay.
Now, Chris. Okay. Area of a square and rectangle. Okay. We look for the area of rectangle and square. How to find? Okay. For this, okay. Let's say if there is a huge surface bigger than this, are we still going to put the square units?
No, teacher.
No, right.
It might take too much of time.
Yes, so therefore we have special formula to find the area of square and rectangle.
Okay.
So what is the formula? Yeah, can you?
So
Chris?
area equals to length times width.
Yes, okay. Remember the column and the row?
Yes.
Okay, the length is the longer part and the width is the
column.
shorter
The
one.
shorter
So,
one, okay.
so to find the area, you just take the measurement of length and the width and then you times it.
Okay, teacher.
Got it? Okay,
Got
see
it.
the example at the square there. Okay, given 4 centimeter. So, for square, we know square as a 4 equal sides, right? So,
Yeah.
what we supposed to do here?
Okay, so we need to times the length and the width.
That
so,
is
4 centimeter times with 4 centimeter.
It
equals
is
16
16
centimeter.
centimeter.
2. What is the 2?
Yes, okay. To write to unit for the area is square centimeter. How to name it? Square centimeter.
Okay,
So,
can.
16 square centimeter.
All right.
Right, got it?
Got
Okay,
it, teacher.
next we have a rectangle there, which is 9 meter length and with the 3 meter width.
Okay.
Right? Okay, what's supposed to do here?
Okay, again.
As we know, the area, the formula is length times by the width.
Yes, so the width here is 9. Length is 3. So 3 times 9 equals to 27 square centimeter.
Oh dear, you said the unit wrongly.
Oh, wait. Oh, it's meter.
Yes,
Meter square.
okay.
Square meter, sorry. Yeah.
It's okay, we learn from the mistake. Okay, I would like to emphasize here, kids out there, you have to really see at the given units. Okay, don't make mistakes in the units, right?
Okay.
So here, Chris, as you said just now, 3 meter times by 9 meter is equals to 27 square meter.
All
okay.
right.
Next, just now we done with square and rectangle.
Yep.
Next, we are going to look at triangle. Okay. Before that, I would like to say, okay, for a triangle, as we know, we have 3 types of triangle, right? For the right angle triangle, you easily can get the base and the height, right? Okay. For isosceles and equilateral, where you can find the height?
In the middle, teacher. Is it?
Not this part. This one is hypotenuse. Okay?
Okay.
So normally the height is in the middle of the triangle.
Oh,
okay.
understood.
So how about the, as I said, the height and base? What is the formula to find area of a triangle?
Okay. Is it 1 over 2, which is half, times base times height?
Where comes the 1 over 2, the half, Chris? Is
Is
there
it-
any reason why we must times by half?
Is it because a triangle is a half of a square?
Yes, okay.
Okay.
Actually, we can split the square and the rectangle into 2 half parts, okay, which is triangle. Okay?
Okay.
That's why we times by half or we times the height and base and when we divide by 2. Okay.
Understood.
So, we look at the formula here. So, area is equals to half times by base times by height. Okay. So, the first one. What is the base?
The base is 4 centimeters, teacher.
What is the height?
9 centimeters.
Yes, so we just substitute that measurement in the formula. Here comes half times 4 centimeter times by 9 centimeter. So we calculate that, okay, 2 cancel by the 4 is 2. So 2 times by 9 is?
18 square centimeters.
Yes, you are right. Okay, next, can you see the height? Okay, what is the base for the green color triangle?
The base is 5 centimeter, teacher.
5 centimeter. How about the height?
Height is 12 centimeter.
Yes, so kids out there, don't look at that hypotenuse, okay. You have to find the height correctly, that is in the, falls in the center of the triangle, so which is 12 centimeter. So we substitute in the formula, half times by 5 centimeter times by 12 centimeter. We cancel 2, we cancel 12 by 2 is 6, 6 times by 5
Five.
centimeter is?
30 square centimeters,
Okay,
teacher.
now we check the third one.
All right.
Okay, could you say?
Okay, so
Chris?
the base is... Oh,
Which is the base here?
the base is not... Okay, it's 24 is one side, teacher. So the base is 24 meters and the height is 16 meters. So that is the formula. Half times 24 times 16. That is the formula, teacher. Is that correct?
Yes,
Okay.
okay. So the height is 16 and the base is 24.
Okay.
So you just cancel it, okay. The 16 by, you divide by 2, you will get 8. 8 times by 24 is?
190.
Kids out there, what you got? Okay.
Okay, I got this, teacher. 192 square meters.
Yes, you're right.
Yay, thank you very much, Teacher Kalai. Okay, so pupils, I'm having a lot of fun. I'm sure you are too. But that is not all for today's mathematics lesson. We'll be taking a short break and come back later here on Tahap 2 Didik TV KPM.
TV KPM.
Hi everyone, you are watching slot Tahap 2 only on Didik TV KPM with me Chris MJ as well as teacher Kalai for today's subject Mathematics DLP for year 4 on the topic of space. So we are focusing on area and also perimeter. Alright teacher, what are we going to be learning next?
Okay, how do you find the area and perimeter so far?
So far so good teacher.
Okay, so remember I asked you to draw
A shape.
polygon, right? A shape, yes.
Yeah, I did.
Yes.
Yeah, so I did my
Can
homework.
you show
everyone.
that? Yes.
Okay, so this is the shape.
What shape is that?
Okay, I chose to draw a rectangle shape, teacher.
Wow, it's just a nice rectangle. Can you measure the length and width for me?
The length and width.
Yes.
Okay, so we need to use a ruler, correct,
Yep,
teacher?
yep.
Okay, so we have
Yes,
the ruler
of course.
over here.
To measure the length and width, kids, you have to use the ruler.
Okay, so this
What
for
is
the
the
length,
length?
I got 12
12
centimeters. For the width is 8 centimeters. All
Okay,
right.
Chris, with that, find for me the perimeter and the area for the shape that you drew.
Okay. Wow.
Okay, kids out
Perimeter.
there, what we should do for the perimeter?
Perimeter.
Yes, you're right. We have to add all the surrounding sides.
Okay. 8 plus 8 plus 12 plus 12.
So here the
16
length is
plus
12
24.
centimeters. So you can double up the 12 centimeter. So you'll get 24 and the width is 8. You can double up the 8 centimeter. You can get 16. So 24 plus with 16.
Is 40 centimeters, teacher. This is
Is that
the
right?
perimeter.
Yes, 40 centimeter.
Okay.
Okay, Chris, you've done a great job. Okay, now a big task for you.
Okay.
Okay, what color do you like? What is your preferred color?
My favorite color is orange.
Okay, choose the orange color and please read out the question for me.
Okay. Orange. PQRS is a rectangle. Calculate A, the perimeter of PQRS, and B, area of PQRS, teacher.
So since the shape is on this square grid, it is more easier for you, right?
Yes.
So how about the perimeter?
Okay.
You just count the
The
squares on the length and the width.
width. Yep. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Teacher, you want me to write it down or just?
Just
Okay. So
say it
6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. So the answer I
Okay.
got is 18 centimeters, teacher.
What Chris did just now, he add all the sides, right? So what's the answer?
18 centimeters.
Yes, you are right. Now next is what?
Next is the area
Area of the
rectangle.
shape. Yes,
Okay.
rectangle.
So area, as we know, is
Area
length.
for rectangle.
Area for rectangle is length times width.
by the width. Yes, you are right.
So this one will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times with 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
So 6 times 3 equals to 18 square centimeters.
Yes, he's right. Yay, 18 square centimeter. Okay, your
Yep.
next favorite color?
Oh, my next
It's
favorite
there,
color.
your next favorite color?
Okay, what color should we choose? Yellow? Okay, let's go with my friends answered yellow, teacher. They like yellow. Okay.
So here you are.
The area of rectangle K is equal to the area of square L. Find the value of Z. Oh, wow. Okay,
It's much tougher. Okay?
I think this one I need
it
to
sounds
use the
like hot
whiteboard.
question, right?
It is, teacher.
Yes.
Maybe you can share with us what should we do first, teacher, for this question.
Okay, so given two shapes out there, right?
Yeah.
One is K, it is a rectangle only with the length is 32 centimeter. And
Yes.
here you have a square which is 8 centimeter. And remember, square is all the sides are same, right?
Yeah.
So what they said here, mentioned here, the hint here is the square, the area of the rectangle K is equal to the area of the square. So that means area of a square and the rectangle is same. So first thing you must find the area for the square.
Okay.
So what is the area for the square?
For the square, which is L, okay, it's 8 centimeter.
8 times by 8 centimeter, you will get
64.
64 square centimeter. That means here you have to understand the area for the rectangle also 64 centimeter, right? Now, but there one part is missing, the z. The z is the width, right?
Yep.
We know that to find the area of a rectangle is what? Length times by the width, right?
Yes,
So
teacher.
the length given is
Let's give it 32 centimeters.
32. So 32 centimeter we times by z equals to 64 square centimeter. So what is the z? So to get z, what you must do?
64 divided by
Divide by 32. Yeah, right. So what is the width?
The width is
What is the value for z?
I
When you
got
divide, you'll get
2 centimeters.
yes, you are exactly right,
Yes.
Chris. Yeah, you are simply superb. Okay.
Thank you very much, teacher. Okay.
So we can go for another one.
Yes, teacher. I think we're having fun. Okay, let's try one more question. Okay, let's go with one more question. Let's go with. Okay, let's try with this question, teacher. The
Yes.
purple color.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, diagram shows a regular polygon.
What polygon is that?
Oh.
Can you say out for the kids?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 sides. So this is a hexagon, teacher.
Yes, you are right. So what
Okay.
they want? The question is
The question is named is polygon, which is hexagon.
hexagon. Okay. Number
And
B.
the B is calculate the perimeter of this polygon. So,
So kids, remember what we must do to find the perimeter?
we must get all the measurements, teacher, for the
At
sides.
all the sides. Yes.
Okay, so
so
it's
hexagon.
9 centimeter times
We have 6 sides.
6 sides. The answer
So one
is
side is 9 centimeter given. So what Chris is doing here is 9 centimeter times by the equal 6 sides. You will get, what's the answer, Chris?
54 centimeters, teacher. 9
What
times
is that?
6.
Perimeter. Yes.
Centimeter. Correct, teacher?
Yes. It
Yes.
is 54 centimeter.
Alright, yay. So how many marks did I get for this
I
activity,
can
teacher?
give you 100 marks.
100 marks. Alright, thank
for
you.
your wonderful job.
Thank you, teacher, and thank you,
And we hope
pupils.
that kids also get the correct answer out there.
That's right. Alright, teacher, looks like we have come to the end of today's episode. But before we wrap up, is it okay if you could share with us a summary of what we have learned today, teacher?
Yes, of course. So we have looked at how to find perimeter and also area. Okay. This is only for 2D shapes, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Perimeter. What you must do to find the perimeter, kids? You have to add all the equal sides for the given shapes, right? Okay. For area, we have looked into that. We have find area for quadrilateral and also triangle. Okay. 3 types of triangle and rectangle and square. So formula to find a area for a rectangle and square is very simple. Length times by the width. Okay. Unless you use the square units, you just count the the total square units that is covered the space.
Okay.
Right. So for triangle, we have the formula is half times by the base times by the height. Or what you can do, you can times the base and height, and then you can divide by 2. As why we divide by 2, as we said just now, triangle is actually half part of a square or triangle, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, teacher. Alright, and how is my overall performance, teacher, for today's class?
It's a wonderful job. You grasp very fast and you can answer all the questions correctly.
Yeah, so how
You
many
are
stars?
elite student.
Oh, elite student. Okay, thank you very
I
much,
already
teacher.
give you full marks.
Thank you very much, teacher. And also for mathematics, I know all teacher always say that we have to do a lot of exercise, a lot of practice. So where can we get extra materials for today's topic, teacher?
Okay, for your knowledge and also the kids out there to get for more interactive activities and for your self-assessment, okay, please log in to Delima KPM website. And kids, keep on practicing and practicing.
There you have it. And with that, once again, let's all say thank you very much to teacher Kalai for today's very, very interesting class, as well as thank you to teacher Lina as our sign language interpreter for today's episode. And for everyone, don't go anywhere, okay? Keep watching Direct TV KPM. Bye!